Unlike conventional fans, the AM01 table fan has no blades. It produces an uninterrupted stream of smooth, cooling air with no unpleasant buffeting. Air Multiplier technology draws in surrounding air, amplifying it 15 times. With no fast-spinning blades or grills, AM01 is safe and easy to clean. When used with air conditioning, it can lower energy bills by up to 20%. The dimmer switch control allows airflow to be precisely adjusted, and the fan can be set to oscillate smoothly. By tilting the machine, airflow can be directed wherever you want it.